Come test drive the 2021 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.